How to get paid doing what you love. Imagine waking up every day excited to work, not because you have to, but because you love what you do and you get paid for it. Sound like a dream? Right. Well, it doesn't have to be today. I will share with you how to turn your passion into profit and making a living doing what truly works for you. The first step is to discover your passion. Getting paid for what you love is knowing what you love. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing even without being paid? What activities make me lose track of time? What skills or knowledge do people always ask me for advice on? Write this down. Your passion doesn't have to be something grand. It could be painting, writing, fitness, cooking, or even playing video games. 2. Identify your marketable skills. Passion is essential, but for it to pay, you need to solve problem or meet a need. Ask yourself, how can my passion help others? People willing to pay for what I can offer. For example, love writing, offer freelance content writing, or start a blog. Enjoy fitness, become a personal trainer or sell workout plan online. Passionate about gaming, stream your gameplay on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. 3. Build your brand. In today's digital age, your personal brand is everything. Start by creating a presence on platforms where your audience hang out. This could be Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or TikTok. Sharing content related to your passion, tips, tutorials, stories, or behind the scene. Engage with your audience to build trust and loyalty. 4. Start small, but start now. You don't need to quit your day job immediately. Instead, dedicate a few hours a week to work on your passion project. Test your ideas with small audience. For example, offer free service or product to get feedback. Remember, every big success starts with a small step. 5. Monetize your passion. Here is where the magic happens. Some common ways to make money from your passion include selling products or services, whether physical or digital. Create something valuable. Freelancing, offer your expertise to clients. Teaching, host workshop or create online courses. Advertising and sponsorship. If you build a strong online presence, brand may pay you to promote their products. Stay consistent. Number 6, you have to stay consistent and keep learning. Success doesn't happen overnight. Commit to improving your skills, experimenting with new strategies, and staying resilient. Your passion combined with persistence will pave the way for profit. When you refine your passion into a skill and serve others with excellence, success will follow. The world needs your unique gift and talent, so don't let fear or doubt stop you from turning your passion into a profitable reality. Take the first step today. You're closer to living your dream life than you think. Now, it's your turn. What's one thing you love doing that you could start monetizing? Let me know in the comments, and let's turn your passion into a passion.